Hello, Internet. And on this week's episode, we're going to be talking about those of you that won the contest from the last show about those Mustangs over at the dyno getting blowers on them. We're also going to be doing the clip of the week, which is hot and cold. But before we do that, I got to jump on this Gladiator behind me and start putting a supercharger in it. But first,
welcome to Tools with Tyler. Let's talk about some tools. Here at ProCharger, we design our kits to be installed in your garage, common hand tools, you and a couple of buddies enjoying the weekend together. A lot of times, a lot of people have this old guy. Great for doing wheels, tires, great for doing stuff that you have a lot of space. A lot of these new cars have very tight spaces, very tight tolerances, so we like to use this little guy. Same 90 PSI max, same torque specs, gets the job done, gives you plenty of space around the sway bar, coolant lines, good to go. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to visit us at ProCharger.com.
contest winner time. Yes. So, last video, we asked you guys to guess on what the power numbers would be on these two Mustangs, bone stock, on hot dyno pulls using the fuel they came with, AKA whatever Ford decided to put in the tanks. These aren't glory numbers. We don't have 93 in the tank. At least we don't think that's what they put in the tank. This is true world, bought it off the dealership lot. What do they lay down? So let's go find out what the numbers are and see who won. So we're gonna pull up the polygraph screen here, AKA the machine that does not lie. And here we go. These are our 4 hot runs. The top 2, which are gonna be in red and blue, are from the stick car. The bottom 2, which are green and orange, are from the automatic car. Now, I'm actually really jazzed about this. I think this is very cool, and I wanna say high five to all the guys at Ford, the engineers, the builders, the engine people, the tuners, because this data is impressive. Now, the stick car rocked out a 406 on her first pull and then a 386 on her pull right after that. Now again, that was back-to-back hot runs. The automatic car laid down a 401 pull and backed it up with a 391. So what you're gonna see there, the stick had a little bit higher on the first, but then dropped significantly on the backed up run. The automatic actually kind of squeaked right in the middle at the 401 and the 391. Now, take these two numbers and average them out. That's gonna be our average power on both of these. Now, I've already done the math, and here's what's super scary. And by super scary, I mean super cool. Let's see if I can get the other one to come up. There they are. Check this out. 396.645, 396.51. Not even a single horsepower separate these two cars. That's so rad. Totally cool. Totally different transmissions. I mean, other than that, they are pretty similar, but I mean, who knows who built the motor or all the factors that go into that. But it just shows how neat that is. It's so consistent. It's also neat to see how consistent this dyno is. So we went through all of the YouTube comments, all of the Facebook comments, and all the Instagram comments to find our winners. So I got a little cheat sheet back here. It's on some yellow paper because I had to write it all down. So the winners actually both came from our YouTube channel. So that's pretty cool to see. George Michael, you got it at 390. Is that George?
Mitchell.
Mitchell! Sorry, George. George Mitchell. 390 on the stick.
You gotta have faith though.
Yeah. Shh. We'll probably get, that's like probably some copyright stuff. We can't say that. And then Rudy, and then what's that last name?
C.
Rudy C. I cannot pronounce this last name. I apologize. We will email you. You said 400 even on the automatic. So That is our 2 winners for the contest. You guys got some swag coming your way. We're gonna get a hold of you. And please like, subscribe, and all that jazz, because we're gonna run a lot more of these contests and give away some cool stuff.
For those of you that might not be winning a contest, it's okay, because you can buy a t-shirt. We got tons of stuff loaded up on our web store, ready for you to enjoy.
Clips of the week. Yes, 2. They're coming in hot and they're coming in cold. Let's start off with the hot one, which is none other than the guys down at Fireball. This time it's not a Camaro, but a truck rocking an F1X and dumb power. So enjoy. Now that thing is bad, but what is super cool, pun intended, is the guys at Speedworks also ProCharge something, but this time for the snow. It comes from a Polaris 850 snowmobile, and this sounds awesome, and I want to ride one. That's it for this episode. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.